Here I have Realme 8i, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So as you can see right now I have like default volume panel style, but you can actually customize it if you download the app Volume Styles from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, grant accessibility service permission, like this, and now you can pick any other volume style you have here, like this RGB one, wavy one, MIUI, iOS one. So as you can see right now I have volume styles like on the iPhone. You can also create your own styles, you can customize it, you can customize the styles which you have already here. So yeah, a lot of different features to customize. My personal favorite volume style is this emoji one. Just look at how based it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.